Why do some people stay financially stable even with average income, while others keep struggling no matter how much they earn? The answer is not hidden in luck or timing. It lies in the way money is handled every single day. Small decisions, often ignored, slowly decide whether someone builds stability or stays stuck in stress. Most people focus only on earning more, but forget that leaks in their system can destroy progress faster than income can build it. In this video, the focus is on the top 8 ways to build a strong financial foundation. No hype, no shortcuts, just structure that actually works. Let's get into it. 1. Know your exact money reality before anything else. Most people think they understand their money situation. In reality, they only guess. And guessing with money is expensive. Start with total income from every source. Then break down fixed expenses like rent, bills, loans, and subscriptions. After that, track flexible spending like food, transport, shopping, and small daily costs. This step often creates a shock moment. Small expenses that felt harmless suddenly look like leaks draining your income every month. That coffee, those random online orders, those small subscriptions, they quietly add up into something serious. You may even realize money is disappearing in places you never seriously noticed before. The goal here is not restriction, it's awareness. Because once you see the full picture clearly, your behavior starts changing naturally without forcing it. You begin to think twice before spending, not because you're scared, but because you are aware. That awareness alone can reduce unnecessary spending without any strict budgeting rules. 2. Build a financial buffer that actually works under pressure. Life doesn't wait for the right time to create problems. Expenses show up suddenly, and without preparation, debt becomes a fallback option. That's why a financial buffer is essential. Think in 2 layers. The first layer is a small emergency reserve for quick problems like minor repairs or urgent needs. The second layer is a larger safety cushion that covers several months of essential living costs. This money should stay safe, stable, and easily accessible, not locked in risky places, but not sitting idle either. A simple savings account or high-yield account works best for this purpose. The goal is safety first, not maximum returns. Why does this matter so much? Because financial stress doesn't just affect your wallet. It affects your decisions. And bad decisions made under pressure usually cost more than the original problem. People often borrow at high interest or sell investments at the worst possible time. With this buffer in place, emergencies stop being disasters. They become manageable interruptions. Instead of panic, you get control. And control changes everything in financial life. It gives you time to think clearly instead of reacting emotionally. 3. Remove high-interest debt like it's a fire, not a project. Not all debt is equal. Some debt helps you build assets. Other debt quietly destroys your progress. High-interest debt falls into the second category. It grows silently and becomes heavier over time, even when you are paying it slowly. Many people underestimate how fast it multiplies. The mindset needed here is simple. This is not normal repayment. It's damage control. One approach focuses on clearing the most expensive debt first to reduce total interest. Another focuses on clearing the smallest debts first to build momentum and motivation. Both systems work, but they lead your behavior in different ways. The most important thing is consistency. Pick one method and follow it fully without switching halfway. Switching strategies repeatedly slows everything down. Every month of delay means money that could have gone toward building your future is instead being lost. And once debt is gone, the freedom you feel is not just financial. It's mental relief too. You finally get breathing space. 4. Your income power matters more than any investment trick. Many people focus heavily on investing while ignoring the biggest financial lever they have, their earning ability. Investments matter, but income is where real transformation begins. A small improvement in investments creates limited change, but improving your income can change your entire financial structure in a few years. It creates a stronger base for everything else. That means upgrading skills, expanding your professional value, or building additional income streams. Even learning one high-value skill can open doors you didn't have before. Even small side systems can grow into meaningful support over time. At first, it feels slow and uncertain, but later it starts compounding in surprising ways. The goal is not endless work. The goal is higher output from your time and skills. 1 hour of skilled work should bring more value than 10 hours of low-value effort. When income grows, everything else becomes easier. Saving, investing, and even clearing debt. It reduces pressure across the entire system and gives you more options in life. 5. Stop relying on discipline alone to save money. Most people save what is left after spending. The problem is simple. There is usually nothing left. Money sitting in an account tends to get mentally assigned to something, even if it's unnecessary. This creates silent overspending without clear awareness. So the solution is removing decision-making from saving. Set up automatic transfers that move money into savings or investments as soon as income arrives. This ensures saving happens before spending habits take control. No waiting, no thinking, no emotional decisions. It runs in the background like a system. This flips the entire system. Instead of saving what remains, you spend what remains after saving. That small shift changes long-term results dramatically. Over time, this creates a completely different financial outcome without requiring constant effort or discipline battles every month. It becomes automatic behavior instead of a daily struggle. 6. Use financial benefits wisely. Many people ignore benefits that are already part of their income structure. If an employer offers retirement matching, not using it means leaving free money unused. It is part of compensation, even if it feels invisible at first. It is one of the easiest ways to grow wealth faster. Tax advantage accounts also exist to reduce pressure and support long-term growth through compounding. They are designed to help you build wealth more efficiently over time. The key here is consistency, not perfection. Small, regular contributions matter far more than waiting for the perfect moment or higher income. Waiting often becomes permanent delay. Time is the real engine here. The earlier it starts, the stronger the results become later. Even small amounts grow significantly when given enough time. This is one of those areas where simple action beats overthinking every time. The system already exists, you just need to use it. 7. Avoid risky money mistakes. Most financial damage does not come from one big mistake. It comes from repeated emotional decisions that feel small in the moment. Panic selling during market drops. Chasing hype investments. Borrowing too much for risky ideas. These patterns slowly break financial stability over time. These are not strategy problems. They are behavior problems. And behavior is harder to fix than numbers on a screen. The solution is simplicity. A balanced and diversified approach reduces risk and removes emotional reactions from decision-making. It keeps your system steady even when markets or conditions change. A boring strategy often wins in the long run because it stays consistent when things get uncomfortable or uncertain. Consistency beats excitement in finance. In finance, survival matters more than excitement. Excitement feels good briefly, but stability builds real wealth. 8. Protect your financial future. Years of progress can disappear quickly if there is no protection in place. Medical emergencies, accidents, job loss, or property damage can disrupt everything without warning. And these events usually come at the worst possible time. This is where insurance plays a critical role. Health coverage, life protection, and other basic safeguards are not optional extras. They are structural protection for your financial system. They act like a safety net that activates when things go wrong. The mindset shift is important. Insurance is not an expense. It is protection against collapse. It protects all the effort you've already put in. Without it, everything you build remains fragile. With it, your foundation becomes stable enough to survive shocks and continue growing afterward. And there you have it. Top 8 ways to build a strong financial foundation. Real financial stability is not built overnight. It's built quietly through habits that most people ignore. The moment you start respecting your money decisions, your future starts shifting in a better direction. You don't need to do everything perfectly. Even if you apply just a few of these steps consistently, you'll notice your financial stress reducing and your control increasing over time. Small actions, repeated daily, create results that feel almost unfair later. If this video found you helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below and tell which way you found most useful. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.